So here's an app that lets you quickly create research papers or term papers. And so what you want to do is go to bevinzey.com, and when you're on bevinzey.com, click on services and then click on the Authormatic Module, and it will bring you to this interface. Now here, there are two ways you could upload your reference or source documents. The first one is to click on choose files, and then you can upload your files from your hard drive. And once you see all the files populate, that means it is loaded. Now, the other way you could upload your reference document is to upload it as a link. So you could put in a link to a Google Drive, for example, click on the plus icon, and it would upload it as well. Now, for this demonstration, I'm just going to use the files that are uploaded from the hard drive. So I'm going to click on this X icon here to delete the link from the Google Drive. Now, the next thing that you need is the title of your manuscript. And here I'm going to be writing an article on unveiling, a review of its mechanistic role in cancer therapy. Now, the next thing that we need is the outline, and the outline will go into the sections option. So I'm going to paste in the outline of the manuscript. And for this manuscript, we have an abstract, introduction, mechanism of action, and basically subheadings on the mechanism of action, which would be the effect of unveiling on NF-kappa B, STAT3 signaling, AKT, FLIP, PAI, and so on. And we'll have conclusions and future direction, and then references. Now, the next thing that you need to choose is the mode. You could choose from a regular or advanced mode. Now, the difference between the two is the advanced mode gives you more in-depth analysis and synthesis of the documents that you uploaded. But for this demonstration, I'm going to click on regular. And now the next thing you need to do is choose the type. You have normal and detailed. The detailed gives you a much more longer manuscript. So I'm going to click on detailed. And then all you need to do next is click generate and let the AI powering Bevinzey do its own thing. Give it a few minutes. And so now the AI is done analyzing the documents that you uploaded. And so now you simply click on refresh. So now the manuscript is completed. And what you want to do is click on this icon right here. And there you have the manuscript. So you have your abstract, your introduction, the mechanism of action, content for each of those sections, and then the references. Now, in this particular interface, you could also do some formatting. For example, you could bolden this, and you can make some further minor formatting here as well. Now, you can go ahead and copy the content by either clicking on this icon right here or the copy icon right here. And you can go ahead and paste the content in Word or in Google Drive. So I'm just going to paste it in Google Drive for demonstration. So here you have the article, and you can go ahead and format it or make some improvements to each of the sections. Now, the other thing you can do is export it as a text, PDF, or a Word document. And as a text document, just click on export. And there you have the manuscript. So this is a really great app to quickly get your first draft for your research paper or term paper. And you can go to bevinzey.com to give it a try for yourself.